Standard deviation. What is mean by standard deviation? Standard deviation is the square root of the arithmetic average of the square of the deviation measured from the mean. Okay, let me explain this in some other way. Mean. What is mean by mean? It is a central tendency value. What the value we have get it by the calculation of a mean, it is some particular value. Am I right? So this value will be calculated and the answer will appear in square root form. This square root form we call it as a deviation. Got it? Standard deviation, for what purpose we are using is in order to find this average. In order to find this arithmetic average, this average has also to be appeared in square root form. So to find this value we are using a standard deviation method. Calculation of a standard deviation consists of three series: individual series, discrete series, continuous series. Now we are going to see the individual series. In all these three individual series, it has three or four method: actual mean method, direct method, shortcut method, step deviation method. In individual series, we don't have the step deviation method. We have only three methods, that is actual mean method, direct method, shortcut method. What is the formula for actual mean method is sigma is equal to root of summation x square divided by n. This is a main formula. This is a mean finding formula. X bar is equal to summation x divided by n. First we have to calculate this, then only we have to go for the next formulas. Direct method formula is sigma is equal to root of summation x square divided by n minus x bar square. So here also we have to find the arithmetic mean value. X bar is equal to summation x divided by n. For the shortcut method, we no need to find the mean value, because in the table, solution table itself, we can get all these propertical value. Sigma is equal to root of summation d square divided by n minus summation d divided by n the whole square. Now we are going to see one example sum, that is actual mean method under individual series. Calculate standard deviation from the following table. They have given some set of numbers 5, 8, 7, 11, 4. First we have to draw the solution table. The solution table consists of three columns. One is a value, what the set of numbers they have given in the question, we are going to place it in. X minus x bar, x square. First we have to apply the value, what the questions they have given, 5, 8, 7, 11, 4. Then we have to find the summation x value is equal to total of all these numbers. 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 11 plus 14. 45. Now we moving to the second column. In that second column, if we want to find the answer, we should know the value of x bar. For this, we are going to find the arithmetic mean value. So what is the arithmetic mean formula? X bar is equal to summation x divided by n. So what the value I have got it for the summation x? 45. N is a number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Though the arithmetic mean value x bar is equal to 9. Now we find the value of the x bar. The 9 has to be subtracted from the value of x. 5 minus 9 minus 4. 8 minus 9 minus 1. 7 minus 9 2 minus 2. 11 minus 9 plus 2. 14 minus 9 plus 5. The third column is x square. So to find the x square value, we should not take the x value of this, what the question they have given. We should not look at this. We have to use this value. 4 4s are 16. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 5s are 25. Now we are going to find the summation x square by adding up all these numbers. 16 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 25. I will be getting 50. Now we moving to the standard deviation formula. Sigma is equal to root of summation x square divided by n. So root of, what is the summation x square value? We have find it from the solution box is 50. Number of observation is 5. So root of 10. If I take root to the number of 10, the answer will be 3.16. Now we find the standard deviation value by using the method of actual mean under the series individual series. Next we going to see the direct method. For the same questions we going to find the direct method. What the question they have given, we have to place it in the value x column and we have to find summation x is equal to 45. And we can move to the second column just by the straight way x square. Okay, x square we can use this value itself. Under the direct method we can use this value itself for the x square. 5 5s are 25, 8 8s are 64, 7 7s are 49, 11 11s are 121, 14 14s are 196. Now we have to find summation x square by adding up all the above values. 25 plus 64 plus 49 plus 121 plus 196 is equal to 455. After finding this, now we are going to find arithmetic mean x bar is equal to summation x divided by n. The same 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. Now x bar is equal to 9. The value we have find it out. Next we going to calculate standard deviation by the direct method. Formula is sigma is equal to root of summation x square divided by n minus x bar the whole square. Applying their respective values according to the formulas. Summation x square value is 455 divided by number of observation is 5 minus x bar value, that is arithmetic mean value, is 9 the whole square. So we will be getting root 10, that is after intercalculations we will be getting root 10, and for the sigma the root of 10 value will be 3.16. Next we moving to shortcut method. Now we are going to find the shortcut method. What the value they have given in the question, we have written under the column of value 5 8 7 11 4, and also we have found it summation x is equal to 45. Then for the next column we going to find d is equal to x minus a. A means nothing but it's an assumed mean number. So from the center of the value x we can take number 7 as an assumed mean number. So x minus a, that is we going to subtract number assumed mean number from the value of x. So a is equal to 7. 5 minus 7 minus 2. 8 minus 7 1. 7 minus 7 0. 11 minus 7 plus 4. 14 minus 7 plus 7. We have find it the value of d. Now we going to find d square value, that is a square of d value. 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 0, 16, 7 7s are 49. We have to find the summation value of d square also. Summation d square is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 16 plus 49 is equal to 70. So for the shortcut method, we no need to find the arithmetic mean. We no need to find it. So straightly we can go for the main formula. Addition formula under shortcut method is standard deviation sigma is equal to root of summation d square divided by n minus summation d divided by n the whole square. Now we are going to apply the particular value of the formula. Now we have applied all the particular values. Summation d square is 70, number of observation is 5, summation d is 10 and number of observation is 5 the whole square. 14 minus 4, 10, then the root of 10 is 3.16. So we have to understand one thing, that under individual series whatever the method we are using, it doesn't matter because the answer what we are getting will be the same for all these three methods. So we have to remember only the formulas and the solution box column name. For example, actual mean method have the box of consisting three columns, x, x minus x bar and x square. Same as like for all these three methods, we should know the columns of the particular tables. Got it?